I wanted to elaborate on the folder structure that I had mentioned earlier regarding some different ways in which you can structure the way you're storing these sub-projects and master projects, including the resource pool. So the same thing applies here. The difference is, of course, instead of storing those folders and files locally, you're basically storing it out here in this network location, and then the different users are able to get access to those locations. And so in this particular illustration, you can see that at the top level here you have the organization. I expand the individual projects and I have that project column showing here, that at the top level it's indicating that this MP16 Advanced Module 1, that the project is in the master, right? So at the top level, because notice it's line item 1 as a top level task here, it's showing up in the master project. But then right below that, you then see the sub-project title name for that particular project, and of course it'll be the same thing for the other sub-project that has been inserted basically into the information of the project. Just like you would see for any of your other tasks, you're going to get these information areas, right? Like general, predecessors, of course. Notice there's also project information down here at the bottom. But for linking, we want to go to advanced, and then in advanced, notice that there's the link to project. And this is also important because sometimes you may want to bring that project in and you don't want to link it, and this would allow you to do that by unchecking it. But for the most part, here it is, so I would just go look for that particular. And if I click on Tools and I go into my General Options, you have this Save Options area. And so this is a file sharing, protection password, write a reservation password, and then a read-only recommended.